In this short recording, I'm going to show you how you can introduce yourself on Padlet. So the first step is you click on the Padlet icon. This will bring you to Padlet itself. Now you don't need to be registered or sign up for Padlet once you click on the link. So the task you're being asked to do is to introduce yourself. Now you can upload a picture, you can write a comment, you can do both. So how do we get started? We go down to the bottom right hand corner and we click on this yellow plus button. I can put my name in here. I can say write a comment here, which is hello. I can upload a picture of myself, so this can be from my OneDrive, it can be from my downloads. So if I go down here, it'd be from my downloads, it can be from my desktop, and then I press open and my picture is uploaded. I can go down here and I can edit what I want to say, or I can add more to what I want to say, and then I press the pink publish button and my message is there.